Guys, in the last video we covered and learned the correct names of the alphabet letters. Today, let's talk about the basic sounds these letters represent in writing. There are only 26 letters but 44 sounds in English language, and today we'll learn 26 main sounds of English alphabet. My name is Serhi, and on this channel I help people to learn English easily. Today, I want to start by saying that the English language is much like a soup. Just as soup is a result of combining many different ingredients, English is a combination of various languages. In its development, researchers identify three main stages of English language. They are Old English from the 5th to the 12th century, Middle English from the 12th to the 16th century, and Modern English from the 16th century till our days. English has been influenced by several languages, including Saxon and Germanic languages, distincted from the modern German, please, French, Latin, and Greek. For example, here is a part of the poem Beowulf, written in Old English. Some letters from the Old English alphabet are still used today for transcription, which emphasizes the importance of studying phonics as the first step in learning English, rather than transcription. Therefore, the numerous exceptions in English spelling are a result of the influence of the mentioned languages. For instance, in some words like honor, the letter H is not pronounced as it would be in French. Or take the letter X in the word Xerox. It's pronounced as Z, Xerox, not X. This letter was borrowed from Greek. Hence, the letter sometimes sounds like Z and sometimes like X. There are indeed many such examples, so initially we'll focus on the fundamental aspects of phonics and only address exceptions at the end of the lecture series. I also want to draw your attention to the differences in the number of sounds in English and other languages, as well as their pronunciation, which affects the facial muscles we use while speaking. At the beginning of learning English, it might be somewhat uncomfortable, similar to changing your grip from narrow to wider while exercising. It's the same exercise, but entirely different muscles are engaged. However, with time, you'll get used to it. So pay attention to this, as to eliminate this discomfort, we need to correctly train these muscles. Every time we discuss the letter sound combination, we'll say the letter 3 times and the sound it represents 3 times as well. This is crucial for forming neural connections that will help you read and write automatically in the future, without worrying about spelling. Pay attention to the advice for repeating these sounds at home. It would sound like this: a, a. When we'll articulate the sound letter word combination, we'll say the letter 3 times, the sound 3 times, then the sound again, but twice, and finally the word once. It will sound like this: a, apple. With that understood, let's quickly review the alphabet and finally move on to the basic sounds. So here we go: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. As we know, in English there are 26 letters with 21 consonants and only 5 vowels. Regarding the letter Y, technically the sound Y is considered a semi-vowel or a gliding sound, but usually this letter Y acts as a consonant sound. Now, before we delve into the basic sounds, I want you to know that most consonant letters have a sound different from what you might use to, because they are pronounced on an exhale. For example, B, B, B sounds B, B, B on the exhale. So here we go. A sounds A. To pronounce this sound, you need to open your mouth as wide as your 2 or 3 fingers. A. So, a, apple. B sounds B. B, book. C makes a very soft sound and being pronounced while exhale. K. So, C, k, cat. D sounds D. D, dog. E sounds A. To pronounce this sound, you need to open your mouth as wide as one finger because this sound is very similar to the one the letter A makes. So, A. And E, elephant. F. To pronounce this sound, your lower lip should touch your upper teeth while you exhale. So, F, fish. G sounds G, gorilla. H sounds H. Don't forget to exhale while pronouncing this sound. H, hat. I sounds E. I, ink. J sounds J. J, juice. K has same two-letter C sound. K, kangaroo. L sounds L. Lion. M sounds M. Monkey. N sounds N. Not. O sounds O. Octopus. P sounds P. This is a very soft sound, so remember to pronounce it while you exhale. P. So, P, pen. Q. This letter is almost always being followed by letter U and create one sound. So we'll put them together like QU. So, QU, queen. R sounds R. This sound may be a little bit difficult. So keep your tongue relaxed, not touching anything in your mouth. Make a slight space between your tongue and the roof of your mouth. Then say with your tongue relaxed and slightly raised, allowing some air to pass around it. Let's try it together. R, rain. S sounds S. This sound is a bit sharp. So, snake. T sounds T. This is a muffled sound. T, train. U sounds A. Umbrella. V sounds V. This is a vibrating sound. To pronounce it, slightly bite your bottom lip, like this, and pronounce V. Van. W. W sounds W. To pronounce this sound, you need to round your lips like this. So, W. Wolf. X sounds X, like a combination of sounds that letter K and S represent. X, box. Y sounds Y. Yacht. Z sounds Z. like a sound that bees make, right? Z, z, z. So, z, 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 zip. Okay, now let's reinforce these sounds in memory through a chant. Here we go. A, b, k, d, a, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, n, o, p, q, r, s, t, a, v, w, k, s, y, z. Guys, remember to divide the chant into small chunks to learn it faster. So, one more time. A, b, k, d, a, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, n, o, p, q, r, s, t, a, v, w, k, s, y, z. Guys, repeat the alphabet and the basic sounds they represent at home. And remember, consistency beats talent, which means that regular practice, even if it feels slow or challenging, ultimately leads to greater proficiency and success in learning English. See you soon and wish you luck!